A very good morning, all students. I welcome you all in my class of the reading of our second chapter, Learning from the West, unit number 1B from our Ability Enhancement Compulsory course, that is English Communication. This is the reading of the second of our chapter, Learning from the West by N.R. Narayana Murthy. Unit number 1B, Learning from the West. Let us start with the introduction section. This is the reading session of this chapter. So be ready to listen. Introduction. The speech Learning from the West was delivered by Narayan Murthy when he received the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence in Public Administration and Management Sciences 2001 from the Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management. In his speech, as the most successful businessman in India, he argues that Indians need to incorporate certain Western maxims into their value system. Here, the author has spoken decisively about the role of Western values in contemporary Indian society. Some of the lessons he has learned from the West regarding values are applicable to the Indian society also. Here, the writer dwells on some of them. These are respect for the public good, accountability, intellectual independence, responsibility to the community, dignity of labor, acknowledging the accomplishments of others, professionalism, and respect for contractual obligations. So, this was the introduction to our lesson, Learning from the West. Now, the next section here about the author. We'll know something about the author N.R. Narayana Murthy. A short biographical sketch of N.R. Narayana Murthy. Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy was born in a middle-class Kannada Madhava Brahmin family on August 20, 1946 in Mysore. Since his father was a high school teacher, the financial condition of the family was very poor. Narayana Murthy completed his school education from a government school and then pursued his BE education from the University of Mysore and postgraduate degree from IIT Kanpur. He is an Indian IT industrialist and the co-founder of Infosys, a multinational corporation providing business consultancy in technology, engineering, and outsourcing services. Narayana Murthy is married to Sudha Murthy, who is an engineer, a social worker, and an accomplished author. Narayana Murthy always raises his voice for various social issues in the country, such as elections, education, unemployment, poverty, etc. Narayana Murthy initiated his career as a chief systems programmer at IIM Ahmedabad. Later, he joined Patni Computer Systems, Pune. In 1981, Narayana Murthy founded Infosys with 6 other people. He served as the CEO of Infosys for 21 years and later was succeeded by co-founder Nandan Nilekani in March 2002. Infosys became the first company to be listed at Nasdaq in 1991. In 1996, it opened its offices in Europe, Milton Keynes, UK. In 2002, it was recognized as India's most respected company by the Business World Survey. He has received a number of awards. The Asia Week magazine reckoned him among the most 50 top most powerful men in the year 2000. He was honored with the Padma Shri awarded by the President of India. In 2001, the University of Pennsylvania awarded him the Wharton School's Dean Medal. He was also honored with the title Asia's Businessman of the Year by Fortune magazine in 2003. In 2008, he was felicitated with the Padma Vibhushan by the President of India. So this was about a little bit of introduction about learning from the West and a little bit of introduction to the author, a brief biographical information about the author. Let us resume in our next part of this video the actual reading of the lesson Learning from the West.